what is technology and why we require to have a technology in our enterprise or in cybersecurity solutions. Yes friends, this is the fourth element of BMIS model, technology. We have already covered three elements, which is people, organizations and process. So in this video we are going to start with technology element. Let's get started. What is technology in terms of enterprise management? Yes friend, technology composed of tools, infrastructure and applications, and by using these three things we are making sure that processes are more efficient. So to increase the efficiency of the process we use multiple technologies for tools, for applications and for infrastructure. So that's the purpose of the technology. And as an evolving element that experience frequent changes, just remember this, if changes are very frequent, then it has its own dynamic risk, because you have to make sure that the consequences or the impact of those changes will going to make changes in your tools, application or could be in infrastructure. So given the typical enterprise dependency on technology, technology constitutes a core part of the enterprise infrastructure and a critical component in accomplish its mission. So technology is playing a very vital role in any enterprise. Technology is often seen by or considered by or just an assumption that by using some technologies we are mitigating certain risks and it is a way to resolve some security threat. Friends, here note down one important point, and that could be one of the question in CISM exam. Technology will be never considered as an information security solution. This is not the solution. I am repeating, technology will never consider as an information security solution. That's a misconception. I will tell you why. Friends, there is no doubt that technology is greatly impacted by the user and by organization culture. But some individuals still mistrust technology. Some have not learned to use it, and some also feels that it may slow them down. So because of all these factors, regardless of the reason, information security manager must aware. Information security manager have to be very cautious that just as with physical and administrative control, some people will try to sidestep any technology. Some people will try to sidestep technical controls as well. And friends, if technical controls are not in place, then risk we are not going to mitigate it. And this is one of the big factor to make failure of any project or any task. So in technology we should aware of, when I say we here means security manager, should aware of security solution, people's behavior, their attitude, their knowledge in that technology, their interest, and how we are going to convince them to use that technology. So these are some factors which we need to consider as a part of a technology element of BMIS model. Hope you like the video. Do subscribe, like and comment how did you find this video. In next video we are going to start our 6 interlinks of these 4 elements. Remember those 6 interlinks? No? I shared one phrase, cat eat apple, goat eat hamburger. Those are the 6 elements of this BMIS model. If you still don't know what are these, check the description, I mentioned in one of the video, or you can just check BMIS model how to learn. Bye bye and take care, and do subscribe friends. Red button.